So today we're going to be showing you how to change your shock absorber. This is your front driver's side shock absorber. We're going to be using a impact and a 1 1/8 socket. And you're just going to put it on there, loosen it off, and then it pops right out. So if it's a little bit stuck or if it's being stubborn coming out, you can just spray some PB Blaster in there, right in here, and it will help break it loose. So when we're removing this shock absorber, it actually got seized on the bottom here. If you come up close, you might be able to see, look in there. There's some grooves in there from the threads becoming corroded. And what we did is we sprayed a bunch of lubricant inside, and then spun the bolt, on the back side, and it broke the corrosion free and then came right out. Now that we got it free, we're going to be installing the new part. So you just want to use a little bit of blue Loctite.